What do you think? You still hungry? Well, here we go. Here, It's not easy for me to film this and feed you anymore because you got wandering hands. But you love it. What do you think? You want another bite? Max? Max? You want another bite? Here we go. What do you think? Want some more? Just a little exploration. Yeah. Yeah, get it everywhere. Why not? That's why Mommy didn't put a shirt on you. Good stuff, good stuff. What do you think? You done? Hi. Can I get a smile? Can I get a smile? Here we go. There we go.